Hmm.
Ooh.
Um,
Mm.
Artificial intelligence is a technology that is able to teach itself and adapt continuously based on the data that it's being inputted in.
Yeah, to me, it's just like something that is intelligent but not biological.
Probably a way of putting to use all the data that's being produced today. We have so much data that I even think at some point they're like, oh, let's just start feeding this data to machines so we have something to do with it.
It tries to simulate parts of maybe the complete human intelligence, but then, without the actual brain.
Yeah, to me, artificial intelligence is like a self-learning mechanism inside a program.
There's a magic box. You can throw in all of your toys of your choice into that box, and it will then give back to you everything in a specific order. Whether it's color, whether it's shape, size, it will determine that by itself.
Yeah, searching for patterns, but on such a rate and a speed and scale which is like hard to imagine for us or humans.
It uses different methods than we do to simulate this intelligence.
It has a rational part, but it's way stronger. It's based on it's based on certain material and energy, and which our human brain couldn't provide, and it think in a way more broad and capture more details. Compared to human intelligence, it also lacks, let's say, certain intuition, feelings,
It's maybe not a desirable outcome that it would be like a human.
Well, I think human intelligence, it would be a bit silly to call it a tool. Whereas with AI, I would be really quick to say it's a tool first and foremost.
If I imagine it as like code, like a full loop that it's learning from itself, and it's
It's more of having an active feedback loop.
I think algorithms don't have the capability to evolve. It's just a fixed set of steps. If X, do X. If Y, do Y. And then if it's not X or Y, it will just print an error. While an artificial intelligence would probably classify it as a new class or try to make it fall in a different class, try to make some sense out of it.
Yeah, to me it was always like I had this, like a apocalyptic idea of what AI was, and I was thinking about robots or like that they're taking over us or something. But then I learned that it's so implemented in our everyday apps that we use, and it's like full on the internet, and that it's actually not so scary, and sometimes I also really like it.
I think I use AI a lot.
From social media to my financial investing.
I'm on TikTok and on Instagram and YouTube.
All those kinds of social media and like entertainment platforms.
But I'm very conscious of using AI. But also there might be underlying layer I never noticed of. I actually don't know. Yeah.
Consciously or unconsciously, it's surrounding us 24/7. There's no escaping that. Even if you tried, it's there. There's, no question about it.
There are always dark patterns that I think we should steer away from. So there should always be a balance. Like, for example, use AI to enhance some activities or enhance some tasks, not replace completely the humankind, because after all, we're here.
Technology is always swayed either good or bad based on how we create it to be.
Maybe there is a sort of weird singularity somewhere where things really accelerate up to a point where it goes completely crazy, but hard to imagine actually, right?
If designers and programmers and whoever is in charge of creating these AI programs have some sort of ethics towards it, it can definitely be steered towards the right direction, but you need these ethics to be used, at least in the vast majority of design spaces.